Salve te omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Os cape photorum comites is moenia quaere magna perato statues quae denique ponto, sic ait et manibus vitas vestamque potentem aeternum quaditis effert penetralibus ignem. Seize these companions of the fates, seek for them great walls, which you will establish, finally, with the sea having been wandered through. Thus he spoke, and, with his hands, he brings out from the innermost sanctuaries headbands and powerful vesta and the eternal flame. So we want to notice these verbs right here. We particularly want to notice the mood. So our three choices for mood are indicative, subjunctive, and imperative. If you identify these verbs as imperative, then you would be correct. He is ordering Aeneas to do these things. This is imperative. Cape, seize or take these companions of the fates. Quaere, seek these or great walls for these. We have an ablative absolute here, pererato ponto, with the sea having been wandered through. Because remember, Aeneas has to do all his travels on the sea to reach Rome. Now let's notice this verb. Let's notice the tense of the verb. So let's think about all of our tense options, and it would be future. Statuo, statuere would be future. Remember the ham and 5 eggs rule. Then we've got quae refers to moenia, which you will establish. Notice that is future. Finally, denique. And then we have the end of Hector's little speech to Aeneas. To sum up this speech, Hector tells Aeneas, you have to get out of here, and you have to take the sacred relics of Troy with you. So thus he spoke, and in this dream he's even giving Aeneas these relics. He's giving them the sacred things he has to take to Rome with him. Most importantly, the sacred fire of Vesta. So we have a couple ablatives here. We've got manibus. So you want to make that an ablative means he carries them out with his hands from the innermost shrines.